Hello, Hayden. This is Hayden. In today's episode, we must continue to examine Bitcoin, XRP, Ethereum, Solana, QQQ, and the S&P 500. Although there have been some intriguing developments in the last few hours, if not the last few days, we already knew that XRP has broken out from a significant resistance level on these 4-hour charts. For the previous few days, we have been following a sizable, falling, expanding wedge. As we anticipated, we did state that this is technically textbook bullish. But then, a day or two ago, we noticed this small break. There's a good chance that we could go down here, I remarked, but it doesn't seem like we have enough volume to support that. We might give the top a hug, as we have done here before. Sure enough, we have done just that, and now that we have a second chance to see a potential reversal, we're ready to retest a second wave. If you want to see how we're still hanging on for dear life, we can even stretch this out here, attempting to consolidate here, which in my opinion looks better. That generates momentum and pressure for the inescapable upward breakout that we should see over the next several days. Although it appears to conclude around the 27th here, which is merely Monday, it might start as early as the 26th or the 25th today. It's Friday now. That would allow us to consolidate over the weekend and provide us with the ideal opportunity to witness the breakout on Monday morning. Very likely, it might occur. There is a lot to cover in this episode today. Run on Solana, perhaps. To incorporate that, we will need to slightly alter that chart. We have XRP. At the moment, Ethereum is becoming extremely tight on that resistance here. Bitcoin is quite similar. Not enough assurance, once more, but we'll need to discuss it. Heading up, QQQ. The stock market is also rising, which is unreal in this place. Truly amazing. Feel free to talk to me about the stock market if you guys are interested in it. I'd be happy to talk, but only in the comments section below. Otherwise, though, don't forget to hit the like button, enable post alerts, and subscribe. Now let's dive straight into today's episode. I just wanted to give you all an update on Margex progress. With the coupon code CryptoT, they are currently offering a bonus of up to $10,000. I will, therefore, proceed to begin. There is a Margex trading competition with a starting prize pool of $1,000 and 20% off the deposit amount, which is really fairly crazy. I want to keep you guys informed about all the current promotions and prizes. Exchange arbitrage is how I prefer to refer to it. We're going through something similar right now, which is very awesome. Therefore, please be sure to read the information below if you would like to benefit from the free items that are being offered on the Margex exchange. It's as easy as making a deposit, getting the bonus, and using it to trade. Free cryptocurrency, after which you are free to do as you choose. It can be sent to another exchange. You can keep trading on Margex. There are numerous options here, and if you have previously registered with an exchange, there is a further method to obtain additional free cryptocurrency. Navigating through all of these interactions is quite simple. It's really frequent, much like when you jump around and take advantage of the perks that all these services give, such as when you jump around with auto insurance in general or a cell phone plan. The coin market cap is displayed here as we move into today's program. Right now, I simply want to pull up for a moment, and we're up roughly 3%, as you can see. There are no surprises. Without a doubt, we're consolidating. As you can see, XRP is up 3%, Ethereum is up 5%, Bitcoin is up roughly 2.5%, and Solana is up 8%. Consolidation is heavy. Clear as day, it appears like we are constructing a symmetrical triangle here on Bitcoin, which is, in my opinion, rather intriguing. Then, XRP is consolidating as well, moving slightly down over the course of the week, but up roughly 3% on the daily charts. Crypto is everywhere, really. Look nice. Solana's up 8%. I wonder whether Trump's coin is now slightly higher as well. Actually, it's down. That's intriguing then. I hope you're amazed at what a meme that was. The president launching something like that here still amazes me. To get started with today's video, though, you can see that we created a video yesterday discussing the potential for another market breakout. And to be honest, I think this is what's going to occur. We've either just begun to break above resistances or fill in that gap, because for a lot of the time we're monitoring this consolidation. We kind of fell just a hair. This consolidation is happening all over the place. XRP fell just a hair in the same way. Here, we have finally identified this upward trend. Here, Ethereum is consolidating. Bitcoin is no different. There were some upward surges in QQQ. The stock market is no different, thus the volume was turned up. Here, that's what we began to observe. As you can see, XRP in particular has a lovely rise that was followed by this downward expanding wedge. And for those who are unaware of what that could be, a falling broadening wedge looks like this. These are fairly common. They are bullish as a textbook. The descending, expanding wedge pattern, as you can see, suggests a potential opportunity to purchase either during an existing upswing or following a downtrend. That's precisely what we're going through. Right now, there is an ongoing upswing, which is followed by a continued slump. After that, we should continue to prevail in the direction of the positive. We usually get in the same way we get out. As you can see, the pricing goal is somewhat broad. Remember that this is the 4-hour charts. If we take it on XRP and apply it here, which is actually pretty intriguing, although there isn't much movement, it would be argued that if we base that argument here, prices may easily swing up to $3.56, which, all-time highs, I believe, would come last. Quite crazy. To get that, I'll just go straight to the monthly chart. Yes, it would undoubtedly be the highest points ever. We may not have yet reached all-time highs, but I'm not sure. Indeed, we did. We touched $3.39, which is remarkable at least on Bitcoin X, it was about $3.29. However, I do think this is not a market to be investing in at this time because everything is, for the most part, oversold, if that makes sense in the long run. For example, there was a good chance to profit from all of these cryptocurrencies months ago when no one was interested. People want to get in now that the markets are rising. Instead of purchasing the drop and obtaining the markets on sale, that is usually what we observe. When markets are high and there's a considerable probability they'll drop, you're not purchasing at a discount. In my opinion, this is the first quarter in which markets may move higher, but that's about all. The crypto winter will then be entered once more. Right now, we're going to witness frequent market corrections and dumps, followed by a potential upswing. However, following this first quarter, there will undoubtedly be a correction of some kind. As you can see, we have this upward rally here, closing the gap if not earlier in this quarter. We're being sandwiched now. Here's the downturn. And we have discovered a great uptrend. As you can see, the price is settling into this and we ought to be able to do so shortly. Blast off, surpass the price ceiling and rise further at this point. There is a very good possibility that this resistance and breach will occur. As I mentioned, it might occur as early as Monday, but we must overcome this barrier first. We are genuinely waiting for that. As we previously stated, MargX is the exchange where you can trade a lot of these cryptocurrencies quite easily while utilizing their bonuses. We have been watching Bitcoin on MargX as well.